Tropical cyclone impacts are expected for the Queensland coast within the next 24 to 48 hours, even though the development of the tropical cyclone has slowed. Let me take you through the updates now. Tropical low 05U is still sitting well offshore from the Queensland coast, generating cloud and thunderstorms over the Coral Sea. Slower than expected development of this system means that it is still a tropical low and isn't expected to become a tropical cyclone until early tomorrow morning. Let's take a look at that now. Our current tropical cyclone watch zone extends from Cairns to St Lawrence. It doesn't include Cairns, but it does include Townsville, Mackay and the Whitsunday Islands. We're expecting to see tropical cyclone impacts developing in these areas in the next 24 to 48 hours, so most likely from Wednesday night or early Thursday. The tropical low is still sitting well offshore. It will intensify over the next 24 hours, likely to become a tropical cyclone by early tomorrow morning. At that time, it will be named as a tropical cyclone. It will continue to move west-southwest towards the Queensland coast, and by late in the day Wednesday, early Thursday, that's when we expect to see winds and rain increasing across our initial tropical cyclone watch zone. We could see heavy falls, flash flooding and damaging wind gusts developing in that area, leading to property damage, road closures and possible power failures. As the system nears the coast, that impact area is likely to become more extreme and much broader. The system will continue to intensify through Thursday as it nears the Queensland coast. This time yesterday, we were expecting it to become a severe tropical cyclone, a Category 3 system, as it got close to the Queensland coast. That may still happen, but it's looking more likely that it will be a Category 2 system as it approaches the coast. A coastal crossing is now expected Thursday night going into early Friday morning. It's slowed a little bit. It's likely to occur between Cardwell and Airlie Beach and bring its most intense impacts of rain, destructive winds and dangerous marine conditions in the form of storm tide and large waves with this system as it moves across the coast. We'll likely see significant tropical cyclone warning areas about those coastal parts at this time. After it does make its coastal crossing, this system is expected to weaken, moving inland and dropping back to a tropical low by Friday night going into Saturday. It'll take that heavy rain and strong wind with it across those inland areas. In its wake, we may see continued significant flooding and continued dangerous marine conditions as well. But the rain and flooding across those more central parts of Queensland is likely to persist through the weekend into early next week. Let's take a quick look at that now. These are the rainfall accumulations from today up until 1 p.m. on Saturday, and as we track through the weekend, we can see how it develops. Those rainfall totals really build up across central and eventually southern parts of Queensland, possibly even pushing into northern New South Wales. This low, even though it won't be a tropical cyclone at that stage, will be continuing to generate severe weather. We're anticipating widespread flooding through the weekend going into early next week. Our current flood watches are covering the coastal catchments between Tully and St Lawrence in anticipation of that tropical cyclone reaching the coast. But over the coming days, it's likely we'll see further changes, not just to our flood watches, but to our flood warning areas. With this tropical cyclone likely within the next 24 hours, it's essential to keep up to date via the Bureau's website or the BOM weather app. Stay safe and we'll catch you in the next update.